Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Glossybox for May of 2021. I am so excited to open this up and share with you guys the products that will be available for this box. They did email me. They were like, hey, make sure you get your content up pretty fast because they are selling out. So with that being said, I want to bust into this box and show you the products for this month. So if you are into these types of videos, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Also, if you're curious as to what lashes I'm wearing today, I'm wearing the brand new Glamnetic X Hello Kitty collection on my eyes, and it's so freaking adorable. I have some of the cases behind me. Absolutely adorable. Cannot wait for you guys to see the collection and the video I made. It's so cute. But anyways, back to Glossybox. So I just got to open this up because I haven't even opened it yet and get down to business, okay? Ooh, the box this month, y'all. And I have a gift card for Velvet. Shop www.velvetiewear.com. Peace 2021 or Peace 21 is the code to get $25 off your order. These are the sunglasses we got in the Mother's Day box, and let me tell you, those are so freaking cute. I've been wearing them nonstop. Like, I'm that girl in those sunglasses. Just saying. I am so sad about those of you who missed out on that limited edition Mother's Day box because it was the bee's knees. So here's the Glossybox for this month. Oh my god. So adorable. I love this one. This one's like equally as freaking cute as the Valentine's Day one that I like to keep in my background, which is over there right now. Whoops. But yeah, this is the box. So excited. So let's go ahead and open it up. It says, "Let the sun shine," which it definitely is shining. It is very bright. So here is the cute little paper that we always get. I just love pulling these strings. I love pulling anybody's strings, but most importantly, I love pulling Glossybox's strings. So here's our little booklet that's going to give us all the information as well as prices. And by the looks of it, we got a pretty freaking good box. Yes, I'm so excited. Okay, so the first product you have seen before. We got this in BoxyCharm, and now we're getting them in Ipsy. So this is from Earth Harbor, and I know a lot of you guys really liked this when you got it and you tried it in BoxyCharm. So here we have it now in our Glossybox. So this is the full size, by the way, retails for $48. Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Emuli? I think that's how you say it. I don't know. So this is it. I remember getting this and I was thinking, what? And then I sold on my Poshmark and people were like, that was so good. Why'd you get rid of it? And I was like, wait a minute, what? It's so good. So now I have it. I'm so excited. So, unparalleled in strength for combating pollutants and daily skin stressors, this Emuli is a necessity for skin in need of after-sun replenishment, bold defense against the elements, and thriving barrier function. It restores antioxidants, normalizes skin pH, and smooths fine lines. Let me tell you, my son has been burnt several times. I know somebody in one of my last videos commented, one farm girl to another, wear sunscreen. So I'm like, yes, ma'am. Because I don't ever go out in the sun, so I never get sunburned. And I got sunburned twice, and it was a whole thing, and it was gross, and my nose was crusty, and like, who wants to hear the word crusty? So this is great. Can't wait to have that and use that for my poor face. Next up, we have another full-size product. This is from Aveda. This is the Nurtri Plenish Leave-In Conditioner. So shield your hair from UV rays and heat damage with this 98% naturally derivative formula, free from silicones, parabens, and sulfate cleansers. It protects against the drying effects of the sun, leaving your hair nourished all day long. This retails for $37. This little bottle. And let me tell you, I know that some of this stuff that's in small bottles costs a lot of money because my mom told me, okay? Because I was like, oh, she's like, don't use that. And I'm like, why? And she's like, that's expensive. She told me how much it was. And I was like, for real? For that little bottle? Girl. Anyways, I need this. I've been out in the sun. My hair has lightened up. My roots coming in so much from me being out in the sun. It's just naturally lightened up. Plus, I like to do the little waver all the time, so my hair needs it. So I cannot wait to put this in my hair because my hair be feeling like a broom. Okay, let me just be real. So this next product isn't on my pamphlet, but I'm gonna go ahead and say this is a full-size product. So this is from Nails Inc. This is the Be Your Incredible Self nail polish. Let me just tell you, I love this this color. Nails Inc. actually reached out to me and I forgot to email them back, and then I lost the email. So I'm actually really sad about that. So Nails Inc., if you're watching this, email me again because I lost your email. I think I might have deleted it because I accidentally deleted it. I accidentally deleted a bunch of emails on my laptop. I never go through my emails on my laptop, and somehow I deleted them. I don't know how I did it. I don't know technology. So yeah, this looks like it's going to be a beautiful color. Oh yeah. I'm putting it over the nail polish that I got, I believe, in my last Glossybox. So that is the nail color right there over the one that I got in my last Glossybox. You guys cannot see it, can you? There you go. Don't mind the finger, okay? Again, I'm a farm girl. I have goats and chickens, okay? Don't judge me. Anyways, next up we have this baby here. This is a travel size. It is from Thermal Water. Oh, this is an extra treat. So this is extra for subscribers. Oh, great. Okay. From URIA. I don't know how to pronounce it. This is Thermal Water. I don't know what that means. Packaged directly at the source in the French Alps. Oh, I love that. Filled with mineral salts, this skincare water is just what you need to moisturize, soothe, and protect your skin. It's perfect for those hot summer days ahead. Let me tell you, this box, when they said it was called Lit the Sunshine, they weren't kidding. This is all perfect and things that I need right now. I'm excited. I'm going to use this because I be out in the sun all the time, okay? You guys know I have barely filmed. I've been just doing farm girl stuff, okay? Okay. Next up, we have this. It's a full-size packet for 20 bucks. Woo! This is from Kneip. Knapour. Kevin Knapour. You know, Mean Girls, whatever. So this is the Valerian and Hops Mineral Bath Salt in Dream Away. After a busy day, nothing's better than a pampering bath. These stress-relieving salts promote better sleep thanks to the calming benefits of valerian essential oil. The pure, uncontaminated thermal spring salt cleanses and naturally detoxifies. Who doesn't love a bath with salts? I know I do. I know I used the last salts that I had. And then the last item that I got in this box isn't on my pamphlet, so I can share with you the other products that came in here. But this is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and it's the Stay Put Brow Gel in Chestnut. So I think this is going to be a good color for me. It might be too dark, but if it is, I can give it to my mother. So we have a brow gel. Love that. So let me go ahead and tell you what these other products are that are coming in here. So from Josephine Cosmetics, for a full-size product, you get the Do You, the Flawless Liquid Highlighter. And then from Polar, a deluxe mini size, very high protection sunscreen SPF 50. So that full size retails for $30-$40, and then that deluxe mini size that you could be getting in your box is 12 bucks. And the Josephine Cosmetics full size liquid highlighter is $36. Let me go ahead and show you photos of what it looks like. There it is right there and here. So that's everything that I got in my Glossybox for May. I'm so stoked. Thank you so much, Glossybox, for sending this to me. You guys are the best as always. I really enjoyed this box and I've really been enjoying the subscription. So again, if you want to sign up, I'll have a link down below. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thoughts and opinions down below. Do you get this box? Did you get this box? And do you love it? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!